In our everyday lives, we perceive a year as 365 days. This familiar measure of time, a constant rhythm in the background of our existence, is in fact a cosmic dance choreographed by the sun and the earth. Our humble planet spinning on its axis completes a full pirouette every 24 hours, but the earth has another dance partner, the sun, around which it gracefully twirls in an elliptical path. This larger dance, this grander revolution takes 365 days to complete. And that, folks, is what we call a year. But here's the catch. This concept of a year is unique to our planet, a terrestrial year, if you will. It's tailored to the speed at which Earth spins and the path it takes around the sun. But does this concept hold true elsewhere in the universe? Let's take a leap back in time to the Big Bang. Let's travel to the very beginning, the birth of everything we know. This cataclysmic event, which scientists call the Big Bang, was the spark that ignited the creation of our universe. It was a moment of extreme heat and density from which all matter and energy, space and time, sprung into existence. In just a fraction of a second, the universe expanded from an infinitesimal point to an astronomical size, and it's been growing ever since. But how old is our universe? How much time has passed since that initial bang? Scientists, with the help of cutting-edge technology and complex calculations, have given us an estimate. Around 13.8 billion years. Yes, that's billion with a B. This number is staggering. It's so vast that it's hard to wrap our minds around it. To give you some perspective, if we were to scale the universe's age down to a single year, the so-called cosmic year, humans would have appeared just a few minutes before midnight on New Year's Eve. This cosmic year, this universal time, is a concept that helps us understand the age and evolution of the universe. It puts into perspective the vastness of cosmic time compared to our human experience. It's a timeline where every second counts for thousands of years and every minute for millions. Can you imagine a birthday cake for the universe? If each candle represented 100 million years, we'd need a cake large enough to fit 138 candles. That's a lot of birthday wishes. So when we talk about a year in the universe, we're talking about billions of Earth years, a year that's measured not by the Earth's journey around the sun, but by the life of the universe itself. A year that's marked by the birth of galaxies, the death of stars, and the endless dance of cosmic bodies. Now that's a year of cosmic proportions. But what if we considered a year as our solar system's journey around the Milky Way? Let's put ourselves in the shoes of our solar system, shall we? Imagine you're the sun with all your planetary companions in tow, and you're on a cosmic carousel ride around the center of the Milky Way. This journey, my friends, is what we call a galactic year. Now, the Milky Way is no small playground. With a diameter of about 100,000 light-years, it's a vast spiraling disk of stars, gas, and dust. And our sun? It's like a tiny speck of dust cruising along one of the outer arms of this colossal galaxy. So how long does it take for our solar system to complete one full orbit around the galactic center? Brace yourselves, because this is where we enter the realm of the mind-bogglingly huge numbers. Our sun takes approximately 225 million Earth years to complete one galactic year. To put that into perspective, the last time our sun was in its current position, dinosaurs were just beginning to make their appearance on Earth. A lot can happen in a galactic year, it seems. But here's something to stir your thoughts a bit more. Our sun is not a speed demon. It's cruising at a leisurely pace of about 500,000 miles per hour. At this speed, it would still take us over 19 million years to reach the nearest galaxy, Andromeda. So when we talk about a year in the universe, we're not just talking about Earth's little jaunt around the sun. We're talking about epic cosmic voyages that span millions and even billions of Earth years. Now that's a year that really puts our earthly year into perspective. But wait, the universe is constantly expanding, right? Yes, you heard it right. This concept, often referred to as the Big Stretch, was first proposed by Edwin Hubble in the late 1920s. He observed that galaxies are moving away from us in every direction. This isn't because they're all trying to avoid us, but because space itself is expanding. Imagine a loaf of raisin bread dough in the oven. As it bakes, it expands, and all the raisins move away from each other. That's a simplified way to picture our expanding universe. This expansion has some interesting implications when we think about the concept of a year. We've talked about an Earth year, which is our planet's journey around the sun. We've also discussed the age of the universe and the galactic year, the time it takes for our solar system to orbit the center of the Milky Way. These are all ways to measure time, based on movements within the universe. But what if the universe itself is the one moving? Since the universe is expanding, does that mean a year also expands? Could a cosmic year be getting longer as the universe grows? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? The answer isn't straightforward. If we consider a year as a fixed measurement based on specific celestial movements, then no, a year isn't expanding. However, if we take a broader view and consider a year as a slice of the universe's lifespan, then yes, you could argue that a year is getting longer as the universe expands. In the end, it all boils down to perspective and the scale at which we're considering the concept of a year. Whether a year is getting longer or not, one thing remains certain: the universe is a vast, dynamic, and ever-evolving entity. So could a year in the universe be getting longer? Well, it's a perspective, and in the grand cosmic scheme, isn't that what everything is about? What do you think, space cadets? This cosmic conundrum of how long a year is in the universe is really something to ponder, isn't it? We've talked about the Earth year, the age of the universe, the galactic year, and even the ever-expanding universe. Each of these concepts presents a unique perspective on how we measure time, but there's always more to explore, more to understand. Perhaps you've got your own theories or viewpoints on this topic. Maybe you've got a question that's been burning a hole in your pocket, eager to be shared. Well, the comment section is the perfect place to let your thoughts take flight. Let's make it a cosmic hub of ideas. Do you think a year is a fixed measurement, or does it stretch along with the ever-growing universe? You know, we're all passengers on this spaceship called Earth, whizzing through the cosmos. And as we journey, we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe. It's these mysteries, these questions, that keep us gazing at the stars, yearning for answers. And who knows, maybe one of your theories or questions could inspire a future video. So don't shy away. Share your thoughts, your queries, your cosmic ponderings. Let's turn this comment section into a swirling galaxy of ideas, a place where we can all learn from each other and deepen our understanding of the cosmos. After all, we're not just observers of the universe, we're a part of it. We're all made of star stuff, as a certain famous astronomer once said, and together we can unravel the mysteries that the cosmos holds. So if this video has taken you on a journey, if it's sparked a curiosity, a thirst for knowledge, or even just made you go wow, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more epic space adventures. Don't forget to like this video if it blew your mind and subscribe for more epic space adventures.